Alright fellas, today's topic, we're looking at the new ESNTLS Sweat Suit. What's good, y'all? Steve from the Dapper Aristocrat, where every Friday we give you tips on how to look good, stand out, and get those compliments. If you're interested, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you don't miss any new content. So ESNTLS is a brand created by Jose and Juan Zuniga of Teaching Men's Fashion, and for the past few years they've come out with a release. Hey bruh, haven't you reviewed them before? I've done a few reviews already, so if you're interested, I'll leave a few links in the description below if you want to check them out. Out of all the things I've tried their t-shirts, polos, Henleys, and a mask. But this go around, one of the new features that they brought out this year was their new sweatsuit. Now the sweatsuit comes as an oversized crew neck top and an athletic fit bottom made out of 100% cotton. And it comes in 4 different colors, from black to slate blue to sand to sage green. Hey Britt, I hope you picked the black one. Now out of all the colors that they offered, I thought the green sage was the best looking color. I mean, it looks so good and very attractive, I had to pick it up. So the sage sweatshirt comes with a pocket on the left hand side. It also has that signature crew neck sweatshirt look with the triangle at the center of the collar. And it's not thick as a normal sweatshirt. It's kind of thin, which is probably suitable for anybody that, if you live in a city that has cold weather, or an individual that lives in a city like Dallas or Houston, where it gets chilly around this time, like in the 50s, 60s, 40s, and you can still wear something like this. The bottoms come with the drawstring with the metal cap on the drawstring that says ESNTLS, and it has 2 pockets on the side and 2 pockets on the back. The pockets on the back have zippers on it, which is awesome, especially if you want to keep stuff in your back pocket, keep it secure, and they come in handy. Now the part where you normally get a zipper, it comes as button and it's functional. In the past, from what I understand, they came out with a pair of track pants and this part wasn't functional at all. I don't know, don't quote me. I didn't try them out personally, but I saw a few reviews and I believe that's what a lot of people said. But fortunately, these sweatpants have functionality in this area, so I think that's a great look. So for the record, I'm about 5'6" in height and I weigh 176 pounds. And I chose a large because that's what I'm used to getting with this brand. Usually the largest fit me well, and I've tried mediums and it didn't go well at all. Now if you're new to this brand, they do offer a chart to help you figure out what's the best size for you. I didn't take advantage of that. Come on, man. I just went off of what I'm used to and I just picked a large. So trying this outfit out, it was very comfortable. I ain't trying to sound like a lady or nothing, but I like the way it felt on my body. It felt very comfortable and very cozy. Only thing that I had a problem with was that I think I chose the wrong size. I probably should have went with a medium. Duh! But I'm not sure how a medium fits. It might fit snug just like it did with the Henley back in the day when I got that. But going back to what the sweatsuit is supposed to be, the top is oversized and the bottoms are athletic fit. I think the sleeves were too long and I think the collar was pretty large. That goes to show you I may have picked the wrong size. Pants fit pretty well, but they were too long. I'm 5'6", I have a hard time finding pants that fit me like they should anyway. And I'm not saying that ESNTLS should make clothes for us shorter statured guys, because Jose and Juan are probably about 6 feet themselves, but I could work with it. Maybe if I would have chose a medium, maybe they would have been a little shorter, but overall I think the pants are pretty decent. One thing about the sweatpants are the pockets. I don't think the pockets are deep enough. If they make these again, I think they have to make the pockets a little deeper. I like keeping my wallet and my keys in my front pockets, but it would have been pretty convenient if I could keep those items in my front pocket. Now they also offered a mask with every item that you ordered, and so I got 2 masks, and I tried the mask from the other release and they were just okay. The things about the masks were they weren't adjustable, and in the beginning they were hard to breathe through, which is probably what a lot of us went through when Corona first started. Over time I got used to breathing through the mask, and I got comfortable with it. I think this mask is a lot better than last release. This one is adjustable. I think it's designed very well. Another great thing about this is that it comes with a filter. For guys that work in the healthcare field like I do, I work in pharmacy, so it's not a big deal. Bruh, yes it is. But it comes with a filter, and the filters can easily be replaced in this mask, which is something that I didn't get with the other mask. I think these masks are awesome, and they were free for any item that you ordered. I also picked up this V-neck t-shirt, which is something that I had been wanting for a while, but every time I went on the site, it was sold out. So I actually got an opportunity to get this. It fits just like the other ESNTLS t-shirts. This one is a little longer, similar to the first ESNTLS t-shirt that I picked up. It fits me right in the right places. Bro, that shirt look good. I can't even see your spare tire. And I'm able to hide my stomach a little bit because I'm still working on, but it still looks good. So overall, I think ESNTLS has stepped it up. Everything that they come out is pretty good as well. It's made pretty well. And this sweatsuit, I like it. It's very comfortable, and I love the color. Should've got the black one. Unfortunately, I picked the wrong size, but that's my fault. I checked the website to see if maybe I can exchange it, and I probably can, but unfortunately, they don't have another size. They're sold out of them. So I'm thinking about whether I'm gonna hit them up or not. I might just stick with this. I'll wear it. If you guys are interested in ESNTLS when they make their next release, I'll leave you guys a discount code where you can get 10% off your next purchase. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section below. If you've tried ESNTLS before, leave that in the comment section as well, because there might be a lot of other guys out here that might be interested in ESNTLS, and they might want to know what other people feel of their products. If you like this video, please make sure you hit that like button because it helps support my channel, and I want to send a special shout out to all my Dappercrats out there. Always remember to be a gentleman, stay dapper, and I'll see you guys next video.